Oh my god! Oh my god! We got the promo video!
Oh my gosh!
Yes! Sandra sent us the highlight reel from our last mastermind retreat! Check this out, guys! This is what it's like coming on a mastermind retreat with Market Like a Nerd. Yeah!
Yeah!
I got roses in my eyes. She's got a heart full of sunshine. Standing on your doorstep, black bow tie, your red dress burning, sweat dripping down my spine. Ooh, ooh. Just can't a bit like the finer things in life. Just can't a bit like the finer things. Just can't a bit like the finer things in life. Oh, it's hard to complain. Everything is going my way. No clouds, no rain. Everything is going my way. Everything is going my way. Everything is going my way. Good times are here to stay. Everything is going my way. Every diamond's trying to shine like you. Your shape's so perfect. Yeah, you got me like ooh, 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 ooh. Just can't a bit like the finer things in life. Just can't a bit like the finer things. Just can't a bit like the finer things in life. Oh, it's hard to complain. Everything is going my way. No clouds, no rain. Everything is going my way. Everything is going my way. Everything is going my way. Good times are here to stay. Everything is going my way. You got me going up. I'm not ever going down. You got me going up. I'm not ever going down. You got me going up. I'm not ever going down. You got me going up. I'm not ever going down. Ooh, it's hard to complain. Everything is going my way. No clouds, no rain. Everything is going my way. Everything is going my way. Everything is going my way. Good times are here to stay. Everything is going my way. Everything is going my way. Everything is going my way.
Oh my god, that was so much fun! So guys, now that you know what it's like to be at a retreat with us, if you want to have a transformational experience just like this to help you make more while working less in your business and also traveling all around the world with cool cats just like us, then click the link below and schedule a call to talk to us about joining our mastermind. This call is completely no cost, there's no obligation, so there's no worries. Go ahead and schedule it and we'll answer all of your questions. You know, are you the right fit? Is this right for you? When does it start? All of those questions will be answered on that call, so there's nothing to lose. Click the button below. If you want to have an experience just like that, then schedule a call and we'll talk to you really soon.